Welcome to Road to 100 Payout, episode 0. Today I'm going to give you an introduction to my trading strategy, my risk management plan, and my current situation in my trading. So let's start from my trading strategy. How do I trade currently? Well, these are the pairs. So I'm trading right now Forex, and you can see Euro USD, AUD, GU. Then I'm looking gold as well, and I'm trying to get familiar with NAS 100 and sometimes also US 30. I don't really look at S&P 500 though. But yeah. So let's look at this trading strategy at first. What am I doing? So I usually look at the sessions. So and kind of I'm interested in the daily cycle, which if you don't know what that is, I'm not going to give you too in-depth introduction to that right now. But for example, yesterday Euro USD, I was looking to get into this trade, so this is part of my plan. What I usually trade New York mainly, but I also trade London because I'm in that time zone. So, meaning the blue box is Asia. Then we got London here and New York here. So when we take liquidity from Asia low in London and we are bullish, I'm looking at breaker structure to the upside and going long. That's my main London play. I usually don't take any other trades in London. If I don't see this pattern playing out, I'm not taking London trade. Obviously we might have some days we might have like a, let me just take the executions off. So some days we might have like a different situation where it's okay to execute a little bit differently. Meaning, I'm trying to grab you so for example here, a few days ago I was looking at getting long here. So you can see how we were trading to the upside, and here the general plan was, what was it? It was that we need sweep of Asia low and then run to the upside if we want to go long. Okay, well, the pattern was much different here because we were running to these lows, to these highs, created equal highs here and dumped. I was looking to get long from this inducement level and have my stop at the Asia low. So not always am I taking the exact same setup, but most of the time, like 80% of the time, I'm looking at that setup where you take the low and then shift in structure and go higher. But sometimes I'm also looking to get long from just like convincing fair value gaps. For example, here you could have just got long, and I had that limit entry there targeting these highs. I wasn't able to get in actually. You can see that it didn't tap me in, but I was looking into that. And so yeah, the most important thing is for me to follow order flow, look at where the structure is moving, and fair value gaps are the most important part of my strategy. I trade basically fair value gap tap-ins. And this is a trade that I caught on GU yesterday. Here I took a long after we tapped into that fair value gap. And around 2R I caught that move. So, but basically the most important thing is like you have liquidity, buy side and sell side, and it's just like take buy side, target for the sell side. It's simple as that. I just trade the model where you take sell side, break structure to the upside, print a bullish fair value gap, take long from that fair value gap, and then just go long. And I have very simple strategy. Now, I have had lately some problems in executing that strategy. I would say like 60 to 70% of the time my drawn liquidity is correct. Sometimes I'm able to make a little bit of money even though my drawn liquidity is incorrect, but I would say that I'm right now like in a break-even position. I would say I'm a break-even trader. But yeah, we are getting every day better, and this is why I want to document my journey, because I think there are a lot of break-even traders who are interested in hearing from someone who is actually in the same position with them. Sometimes I very much feel like I'm super stagnant with my trading, but I cannot quit. I've been too long with this, a little bit over a year now, so everything will play out in the end. So how I'm going to work with this, or how this is going to work, is that I'm going to daily post a video on this channel where I do some market analysis, markups, and tell you what trade I did take, what trade I didn't take, and how market played out to my analysis. And then I will show you my funded account and how I'm progressing with that. So right now you can see I'm funding Bips 5k account. That's the smallest one. I just wanted to start with small one because then I'm not so fixated on the money. I'm just trying to pass it regardless of what the money is, and yeah, I'm just trying to not be too concentrated on the money. I'm trying to more be concentrated on the percentual gain on the account, and like, but yeah, we are almost. So wait. So yeah, I'm taking out some of the stupid losses. Nice winners as well, but I'm a little bit too inconsistent, so this is helping me to stay more accountable. We are a little bit over 1% up with this account right now, so let's see how things go. But yeah, so then let's go through my risk management plan then. So risk management plan, what am I doing here? Let's go back to the funded accounts here. So what's my risk management plan? This is 5k account. So my plan is to get like maybe like two or okay, actually I'm thinking of how much I'm risking, because as of now I've been having a little bit inconsistent risk. Sometimes I'm risking like 0.5%, most of the time around 1%, and then sometimes I feel like extra confident and then I take like 2% risk and then I lose because why not? But yeah, like risk management is the most important thing in trading, and I'm starting to risk 1% per trade, and maybe when we are like 4% up, I can look at taking like increasing my risk to 2%, and then I will be able to pass it with the next trade. Okay, that's what I will do. Okay, so yeah, this is basically everything that I've basically talked about everything here, but I'm still willing to talk about one subject, which is another strategy. And I'm not strategy hopping. I've been just interested in this, and I do think that I'm able to trade like kind of two different strategies, because this kind of makes sense for me. So I've been interested in starting trading futures, and I might even throw Forex out at some point, but I'm still continuing to trade Forex. Right now I'm interested in Nasdaq, and because I don't want to throw Forex out, I'm considering starting trading futures, but I'm just not quite there yet. So because I have trade access from funding pips to trade Nasdaq NAS 100, I have started to monitor that, and I kind of have a different strategy for NAS. So you can see how yesterday I took a loss here. That was in my opinion, that was a bad trade. I don't have like clear strategy plan for trading Nasdaq right now, so I should like refine my strategy a little bit more. And this wasn't something I should have risked 1% with, but I do have like an idea for Nasdaq strategy that I have actually been backtesting. I can show you the results. They are absolutely great. So I have FX replay. I have FX replay here. You can see I've been trading Dodge's IFEG strategy with FX replay. I've been forward testing, back testing it here, and tape reading it, and it just seems to work for me. It makes a lot of sense. I will not quit the forex trading. Now, if I start making a lot of money with like Dodge's IFEG strategy, maybe I will move to like trading, take like a swing trades on forex, and tone the trading frequency on forex a little bit more like down. But I just like it how you can trade with 1 minute charts, and Nasdaq is just so clean. It makes a lot of sense. You get a lot of break evens, which is fine, and I like it because the risk management is so aggressive. So I can show you like the results with my back testings. So I have traded backtested like NQ here and NAS 100 here. Let's go both 50k accounts with that. So I have taken A+ setups with 3% risk, then like a little bit less than A+ setups I've been risking only 1%, and let's see how we've done here. So I don't actually think that we will be able to copy the same or get the same results rather. In live accounts, because if you look at this, we are 75% up. Backtesting, like basically I skipped that 1 month, so we have only basically backtested like 4 months, and I don't know if this is realistic. The win rate is a little bit worse because I'm still like kind of learning with this strategy, and I take a lot of trades, especially a lot of these losers are not part of the plan. but you can see how much I've made profit there. I don't know if this is sustainable still, but I've never found so much success with any strategy in like backtesting software and stuff like that. And I've been interested in Nasdaq anyways. I've seen ICT trade that in 1 minute chart, and I've been following Doji for a while now, even though I haven't traded his strategy. And this just has made a lot of sense to me, and that's why I'm probably starting to trade this. I don't know if I will start executing the strategy on this Funding Bips account. Maybe like I will start executing it within like practice mindset, and maybe risk like 0.1% every trade and just try to build confidence with like this kind of live trading conditions. And yeah, that's possibly what I will start doing. And so yeah, this was my NQ. So this is like futures. By futures, NAS 100, I would say the futures are better because they don't have spreads, whereas NAS 100 is a CFD product and it has quite a large spread sometimes, but it is what it is. So with this as well, NAS 100, 36% profit within 1 month. You can see how the days go. I'm not like over risking or anything. Like it's like this day 1.7% profit, 3.3% profit, 1.45, 0.5, 2.5, 3, then small loss, 2.4, 4%, 3%, 3%. But for example, this month has been very good. Like I haven't taken big losses, and I've almost caught every single loss. But I know that this strategy will also going forward result in like a little bit bigger losses, because when you are risking like 3%, you like if I risk 3% a trade, I'm able to make that 4% a day. But there will be days when I also lose that 3%. So, but I know this strategy is quite good. So that's what I will do. I will continue backtesting that inverse fair value gap strategy. I will continue posting my current trades and my progress on the Funding Bips account. And yeah, eventually we will be able to pass it.